Hey everyone, happy Tactical Tuesday. Today I'm at Highsmith Guns in Greenfield, Indiana. I have my Century Arms MKE AP5-P short barrel rifle. What I'm going to be doing, I have 15 rounds loaded in here, 10 of which is 124 grain PMC ammo. I'm going to do 5 rounds unsuppressed, and then I'm going to do 5 rounds suppressed, and then there's also the last 5 rounds is 147 grain Remington subsonic, and we're going to see if there's really a difference. Unfortunately, I am shooting on a shooting range that has a metal backstop, so it's not going to be what you would hear outside, basically, or at a range where you're shooting into rubber. But we're going to see if we can hear a difference. Here we go. 5 rounds unsuppressed. Unsafe, finger off trigger. This is a GSL Phoenix. Here's 5 round 124 grain. .147 grain. And 147 grain, the last round always wants to jam for some reason. Interesting. There we go.